To insert or remove a bobbin, make sure the needle is in its highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Remove the extension table from the machine and then open the hinged cover. Pull the bobbin case tab and then remove the bobbin case. Hold the bobbin case with one hand. Remove the bobbin. Insert the full bobbin so that the thread moves in a clockwise direction. Pull the thread through the slit and under the finger. Hold the bobbin case by the hinged latch. Insert it into the shuttle. You should feel it click into place. Once the bobbin case is correctly seated, release the latch. To check that the bobbin case has been properly installed, slowly turn the hand wheel toward you. The needle should move up and down without hitting the bobbin case. If the needle hits the bobbin case, or if the bobbin case starts falling out of the shuttle, remove the bobbin case completely and reinsert it. The bobbin thread tension can be tested by removing the bobbin case and bobbin and holding them suspended by the thread tail. Bounce it once or twice. If the thread unwinds an inch or two, the tension is set correctly. If the thread doesn't unwind at all, the tension is set too tightly. Turn the screw on the side of the bobbin case to the left to loosen tension. If the bobbin case drops too much, the tension is set too loosely. Turn the screw on the side of the bobbin case to the right to tighten.